Hi everybody, this is Jorge Balboa and today we're going to learn about the regular verbs conjugations in Spanish. The verbs ending in R. Okay, let's begin. So remember, this is Hablar en Español, Spanish from zero, where you can learn Spanish from the very basics. Okay, so let's begin with the topic, regular verbs conjugations are ending. When we speak about the Spanish conjugations, it seems that they are so difficult. Here is an example about the verb jugar, play. These are just examples about the conjugations of jugar. Jugar has many other conjugations, so it seems to be really difficult. So, what can I do for learning the conjugations if there are so many? That's what we're going to learn today. There are some verbs that are more easily conjugated than regular verbs. Okay, some examples of regular verbs ending in R are hablar, escuchar, trabajar. Okay, all of them ends in AR. Now, if I would conjugate them with the pronoun I, they would change like this. Yo hablo. Yo escucho. Yo trabajo. Do you see something that is similar in both of them? Yes, that's what is similar. The ending O. And this is what happened. Let's see the verb hablar. Okay? If we want to conjugate the verb hablar, what we have to do first is to take off the ending AR. And we are going to add, depending on the pronoun that this verb is conjugated with. Okay, so for example, with the pronoun yo, it would be hablo. Yo hablo. That's what happened. Okay, we just changed the ending AR for O. And this would be with tú hablas. This would be with nosotros. Nosotros hablamos. Okay, so this is a chart where we can see, where we can learn about the conjugation depending on the pronouns, the pronombres. Okay, here are the pronouns yo, tú, él, ella, eso, nosotros o nosotras, ustedes, ellos o ellas, vosotros y vos. Okay, these last two pronouns are in common in my country, in Mexico. They are more common in Spain or Argentina or some other countries. Okay, not in all of the Spanish speaking countries. So here you can see how the ending letters AR change depending on the pronoun. Okay, so let's see some examples using this chart. We have the verb mirar. Okay, so let's see how we can conjugate it. Okay, let's conjugate it with the first one. Yo miro. Next one, tú miras. Él, ella o eso mira. Ella mira. Nosotros miramos. Nosotros miramos. Ustedes miran. Ustedes miran. Ellos o ellas miran. Ellos miran. Vosotros miráis. Vos mirás. Vos mirás. Okay? That's the way you do it, okay? It's really, really simple. So, we can do the same thing with the verb cocinar or the verb platicar or enseñar, okay? We just change the ending letters. So, you do it. Practice and you will be able to do it automatically. I let you some exercises that I put on the description. You can download it, these exercises, and you can let me know if you could do it. If you have any question, if you want me to check your exercises, you can write me by this way or my email. I wrote down my email on the exercises, okay? So you can write me. So this is all I wanted to teach you today. This is Hablar en Español, Spanish from zero. So it is really simple, isn't it? Well, I hope you have enjoyed a lot this video and you have learned about the verbs conjugation. If you really want to learn Spanish, I invite you to book a lesson with me. You will find the link on the description, okay? So see you in the next video about regular verbs conjugations, verbs ending in er. See ya.